the untold legend who defied all odds. Imagine conquering the world's highest peak when no one thought it possible. Sir Edmund Hillary, a humble beekeeper from New Zealand, transformed this improbable dream into reality, defying all odds. Born into a modest family, Hillary was drawn to adventure from a young age. Despite his quiet beginnings, he harbored an unyielding dream of scaling Mount Everest, the ultimate challenge. At the time, Everest was a formidable enigma. Its icy peaks loomed large, intimidating countless explorers. Many had tried and failed, but Hillary's determination remained unshaken, fueling his resolve. Hillary's journey took a pivotal turn when he partnered with Tenzing Norgay, a skilled Sherpa known for his expertise and resilience. Together, they formed a formidable team ready for the climb. Their preparation was intense, marked by rigorous training and meticulous planning. Facing unpredictable weather, treacherous terrain and thin air, Hillary and Norgay's resolve never wavered, setting the stage for their historic ascent. Hillary and Norgay embarked on a rigorous journey of preparation, meticulously planning their ascent and acclimatizing to the harsh conditions. Their training was intense, tailored to tackle Everest's unforgiving terrain. Facing unpredictable weather and treacherous icefalls, the duo battled fatigue and altitude sickness. Their unwavering determination and careful strategizing helped them overcome these formidable challenges as they inched closer to their goal. On May 29, 1953, amidst biting winds and thin air, they made their final push. Every step was a testament to their grit, culminating in a historic triumph atop Everest. Reaching the summit marked a milestone in human achievement. Hillary and Norgay stood united, their accomplishment a testament to the power of teamwork and the mutual respect that fueled their success. Their conquest resonated worldwide, symbolizing the triumph of human spirit. The news of their success spread rapidly, inspiring countless individuals and redefining the limits of what seemed possible. Sir Edmund Hillary's remarkable ascent of Mount Everest ignited a fire in the hearts of aspiring climbers worldwide, proving that with perseverance, even the most daunting challenges can be conquered. Hillary's dedication to the people of Nepal extended beyond climbing. He devoted his life to building schools, hospitals and infrastructure, leaving a lasting humanitarian legacy that complements his mountaineering triumphs. He often spoke of perseverance, emphasizing that the real adventure lies in overcoming obstacles. His words continue to inspire those who face their own personal mountains and seek adventure in life. The Hillary Step, a formidable rock face near the Everest summit, became a symbolic testament to his journey, representing the final push needed to achieve greatness and touch the skies. Hillary's story goes beyond mountaineering, embodying the limitless potential of human spirit and the courage to dream beyond perceived limits, inspiring generations to pursue their passions with determination and heart. Sir Edmund Hillary's journey up Mount Everest is a testament to the power of courage and resilience. His unwavering spirit transformed an impossible dream into a historic triumph, inspiring countless adventurers worldwide. Hillary's extraordinary achievements earned him numerous awards and honours, underscoring his significant contributions to mountaineering and humanitarian efforts. His legacy is celebrated globally, highlighting the profound impact of his accomplishments. Through Hillary's legendary journey, we learn valuable lessons about perseverance and determination. His story encourages us to push beyond limits, reminding us that even the loftiest goals are achievable with dedication. Are you inspired by Hillary's incredible journey? Identify your own summit and begin your quest today. Embrace the challenges and let his story motivate you to reach new heights. We invite you to share your personal Everest in the comments. Let's celebrate each other's dreams and accomplishments, fostering a community of support and inspiration for every daring adventure ahead. Share your thoughts on what personal challenges you aim to overcome. Your journey, like Hillary's, can inspire and motivate others. Let's celebrate stories of courage and determination together.